Did you see the new Charger they rolled off the line yesterday?
Yeah, Hemi powered. Sounds mean.
I'll race you for pinks after shift.
The diagram shows the purple wire to the ignition. Confirm the voltage regulator is seated correctly.
The distinctive split vertical grille was a major styling change for the 1969 Charger, creating that aggressive face. The split grille design was unique to the 69 model, setting it apart from previous years.
.426 cubic inch displacement, creating legendary performance, with the Hemi architecture providing superior breathing and power.
This is the legendary 426 Hemi. Its unique hemispherical combustion chambers and optimally angled valves These massive rocker arms and heavy-duty valve springs are essential for the extreme valve lift required for high RPM operation and durability in this new Hemi design.
Maintenance. Here on the line, the legendary 440 Magnum and the reliable 383 take shape. The 440 Magnum Big Block V8, 440 cubic inches, producing 375 horsepower.
This is the heavy-duty Torqueflite, Chrysler's 3-speed automatic. Strong internals ensured it could handle
Here on the line, the 69 Charger's unitized body receives its performance suspension, balancing handling and speed.
Make sure that adjustment bolt is snug.
Yeah, and check the upper ball joint again.
To provide that aggressive stance, we fit either the F60 by 15 or the F70 by 14 wide tire.
A closer look at the rally wheel. This chrome steel design, complete with the performance tread tire, was the definitive option for the late 60s Charger.
Easy now, watch the mounts.
Looks good, drop it.
Get the wrench on that rear bolt.
The Hemi Charger delivers a brutal display of horsepower, validating its claim as the undisputed. The Charger demonstrates remarkable balance for its size, confirming that the revised suspension offers competent handling beyond the quarter mile.
This is the 426 Hemi. It's marketed as the ultimate street performance machine.
Wow, 425 horsepower? That's incredible.
This here is the legendary 426 Hemi. With these dual 4-barrel carbs, you're looking at serious street performance.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
That's the sound of 440 cubic inches. How do you like the acceleration?
This is fantastic. She really grabs the road.
In the crowd marketplace of '69, the Charger stood apart. Longer, wider.
In the 1970 season, the Hemi Charger was nearly unstoppable in superstock, launching hard and dominating the quarter mile.
The extended aerodynamic front and pointed nose reduced drag and improved stability at speed.
Get that tightened down. Welding's almost done back here. All right, she's ready for the ramp. How about the General?
Still runs like a dream, doesn't it?
That's our boy.
Check out the 01 graphic, it's perfect.
I know, and the paint job is incredible. It really captures the legacy.
The Hemis. The Hemi badge represents a legendary engine, creating instant collector value. This identification ensures
$150,000 looking for 5. The bid is at $150,000. Looking for 5. New bidder right here at $155,000. $150,000 looking for 5. The bid is at $150,000. Looking for 5. New bidder right here at $155,000.
The Charger's powerful stance created an immediately recognizable silhouette, representing the moment American manufacturers